Hi guys. Ito yung book ng asawa ko guys. Maliit pa siya. Sesame. O diba? Sesame Street ABC. Isang taon na kaya itong libro na to. Grabe, napakagaling talaga ng ano ko guys. Mother-in-law. Oh. Diba, ang cute lang. Ang cute talaga niya guys. It's cute. It's cute, funny, Ellie. Mamana pa ni Ryan. Yung mga libro ng daddy niya. So, ito pa isa. Numbers naman to. This is ABC. Sesame Street. 1, 2, 3. This is a number book. Still the author is Muppets. Oh no, featuring Jemson. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, it's a math thing. Very cool. Ooh. And yun lang yung Sesame book na dalawa.